Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Simple Drinks. My name is Johnny and today we're making another easy and quite interesting cocktail. And the cocktail we're making today might just start some fires in you, or maybe extinguish them, or your thirst. It's called the Fireman's Daiquiri. It's a variation of the ever popular Daiquiri cocktail. It's 3 ingredients only, so without further ado, let's make it. So we're going to start with the main ingredient, of course, white rum. 60 mils or 2 ounces, depending where you're from. Add that into our shaker. Next ingredient is lime juice, freshly squeezed of course. We got some beautiful limes here, finally. And we're going to squeeze them. Squeeze those juicy juices. We need 30 mils or 1 ounce. We need just a little bit more. Yep, that's it. So 30 ml, 1 ounce fresh lime juice. Third ingredient is grenadine, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. Now we need ice. And like always, we're going to shake our cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Oh, smells so good. Now we need a cocktail glass. And we're going to fine strain our cocktail into our glass. And for garnish, we're going to use a lime wheel. Yeah, that's perfect. Just put it over here. And that's it, ladies and gents, Fireman's Daiquiri. Cheers! And believe me guys, I can't wait to try this one because I don't know if I told you, but I'm also a volunteer firefighter, and it's kind of a cool thing to know that there's a cocktail called Fireman's Daiquiri. I mean, it's really cool, so let's try it. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is amazing. It's absolutely, I mean, you can't taste rum. You can't taste rum at all, but it's a sweet and tart combination. It's a fight between grenadine and lime juice, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's pretty refreshing, it's amazing, it's tasty, it's fruity, it's delicious. I love the color, the garnish, lime wheel, nothing spectacular, but it has its own charm. So it smells, oh yeah, it smells amazing and it tastes so good. Oh yeah, I absolutely like this one. And that's it guys, we made the Fireman's Daiquiri. Real easy to make, 3 ingredients only. Looks amazing, tastes amazing, smells amazing. I mean, this is really good cocktail, really simple. For its simplicity, it's amazing. And like I always suggest, try it and let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you very much, and see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.